Hello, viewers, welcome to my channel. Board questions. Changing sentence. All Board 2018. Change the sentences according to directions. Very few conquerors of the world were so great as Timur. Superlative: Timur was one of the greatest conquerors of the world. The province of a powerful prince was once attacked by young Timur. Active: once young Timur attacked the province of a powerful prince. Entering the kingdom of the prince, he captured a large village. Compound: he entered the kingdom of the prince and captured a large village. The army killed Timur's all soldiers. Passive: Timur's all soldiers were killed by the army. He disguised himself as a poor traveler to survive. Complex: he disguised himself as a poor traveler so that he could survive. He came to a house and asked for something to eat. Simple: coming to a house he asked something to eat. There lived an old woman in the house. Complex: there lived an old woman who was old. The woman became sympathetic to see Timur. Interrogative: didn't the woman become sympathetic to see Timur? The food was very hot! Exclamatory: how hot the food was! Timur was too hungry to wait. Negative: Timur was so hungry that he could not wait. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe.